Welcome to all my energetic learners. Today I am here to discuss a very interesting topic of acid, bases, and salts. It is our learning outcome today chemical properties of an acid. We know acid is very dangerous, it is corrosive in nature, it eat up the things. Okay, so let us study its various chemical characteristics. First, very exciting reaction with matter. Already we have discussed so many times. Today again I will show you that how it react with metal. So acid plus metal always gives salt and one of the gas known as hydrogen gas. It is evolved out. Okay, so here is reaction example zinc plus sulfuric acid giving zinc sulfate and hydrogen gas. So how to check it practically that it is hydrogen gas or another gas? So remember hydrogen gas whenever you bring any burning candle or matchstick near to hydrogen gas, it burn with pop sound, right? Why it happens? Because hydrogen react with oxygen present there and there is a small explosion, but amount is less, so it comes in the form of pop sound. Let us check practically to understand the concept, right? Okay, I am having zinc granules in this content. So zinc granule I will use, right? This is I am having sulfuric acid in it. Okay, zinc granule goes down. You see? Now bubbles are coming, right? Hydrogen gas in the form of the continuous bubbles are coming. Okay, I have already added so that I will show you the experiment easily, right? Because it takes some time to react. Now it is exothermic reaction. Both I have already added for you to show that this time the practical that pop sound should be there in the prominent amount. Let us see. So this is also having zinc in sulfuric acid. Now I will show the pop sound. Okay, you will see here. I will take a burning matchstick near to it. What is the sound produced? Oh, pop sound. It is known as pop sound. Dear students, this is the reaction known as pop sound. So hydrogen always give pop sound than it burn, right? With oxygen. Next is reaction of carbonate and bicarbonate with acid. Here also produce salt and water and one more gas, hydrogen, carbon dioxide gas. CO2 gas is produced. Example is sodium carbonate, sulfuric acid, and we got a salt, sodium sulfate and carbon dioxide plus water. So here I will use, this is the sulfuric acid diluted, sodium carbonate is here, pinch of this I will add up, but you will see gas is produced. There is a gas in the form of continuous bubbles, right? Because acid is concentrated, so all the sodium carbonate react with faster rate. Okay, you can see again, it reacts with faster rate because it is a concentrated. Oh, carbon dioxide gas. Now how to check this gas is carbon dioxide? So when I will pass this gas to the lime water, that becomes milky. Okay, so that we can check. Yes. Third is reaction with metal oxide. We know metal oxide are basic in nature. Okay, so when metal oxide react with acid, there is formation of salt and water. Example is here copper oxide giving plus HCl giving copper chloride and water, right? So it gives us blue-green color. Salt, copper chloride. Okay. And last is our acid and base. When they react, what happens? Reaction of acid and base. So acid and base always give salt and water. So salt is everywhere, right? And side product other than that are something different in different reaction. So whenever a strong acid, I have a reaction for that. Demo, I have sodium hydroxide in this test tube and sulfuric acid in this test tube. Right? When I will react them, okay, in another test tube, small sample I will use up sodium hydroxide, transferred small sample, then sodium hydroxide. So reaction is exothermic. Reaction is exothermic, heat is evolved out. Okay? See, it's very hot now. Reaction is exothermic, always. When acid react with base or base react with acid, this reaction is known as neutralization reaction. Acid and base, when react together, reaction is known as neutralization reaction. And it is exothermic. Okay, heat is evolved. Yeah, it is very hot now. Fine. So, these are the basic chemical reaction of acid with the acids. Right? How it reacts with metal, carbonate, with the metal oxide and with the base. So this is all about the chemical properties of acid. Okay. Now, last but not least, our topics, thought of the topic. Never give up. Because life is a tremendous search for our goal, for the hidden secrets around us, magic around us, success around us. Now, failure means first attempt in learning and doesn't mean the end. It is efforts never dies. And if you got no, means next opportunity. So genius, get up. Don't stop if you get failure, because failures are the stepping stone of the success. It gives us a trigger. We have to bounce back with more energy. So keep on with your research and discovering the hidden trait in you, and success is waiting for you. With this, I take and leave. Thank you very much. Wish you all the very best.